Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for the TouchIT Rapide interactive flat panel. In this tutorial, we will look at the signal preview and how to change input sources. The signal preview gives you a live on-screen preview of your computer that is connected to the LED. The idea of the signal preview is that it allows you to switch back and forth between your computer and the onboard Android OS quickly and easily. When you have connected your computer, or if you are just using an OPS integrated computer, you need to click on the arrows that are located underneath the signal preview and select your input. If your HDMI cable is connected to the front of the LED, choose HDMI 1. If you are using an OPS PC, then choose OPS option. Your computer screen will now appear in the window. To switch your computer, simply tap on the window. To switch back to the onboard Android OS, swipe up and tap on the Home key. You can also change the input sources by tapping on the gear icon on the left side of the LED, selecting Input, and then the source you wish to use. Or you can, of course, use the remote control. Thanks for watching!